What if I told you you could send your weekly newsletter without writing any single word and it runs entirely on autopilot? I built an AI system that does exactly same. It researches trending topics, writes the content and even email it out, all while I am in sleep. And the best part, I built it with zero coding with the help of n8n, a free AI automation tool that literally anyone can use. So today I am challenging myself to build this AI workflow within 5 minutes. Can I do it? Let's check it out. So this is our AI newsletter that will take the user input and it will do some research via Tavily and then send those research article to our planning agent to generate the titles and topic. Then again we will send this thing with, to the Tavily for further research and then it will pass the topics to our section writer agent. After that we will edit our final copy and we will send this response to our editor agent for our final version. After the completion of our editor agent, it will trigger to my draft in my email so that I can review it and I can send it to our client. Now I will click on execute workflow and it will provide me a form where I need to put my or I need to enter my title or the topic for the newsletter. So as a trending topic I will paste that the AI agents are taking over and it's already happening. So this is my title for the newsletter and then I will hit submit and you can see now our planning agent is working and it is done and it is sent to the Tavily for our topic research. Next it will send these things to our section writer agent and you can see in my screen it is now writing our section writer agent is working to finalize the content and after that it will aggregate all those things and it will send these things to my editor agent for final version. So just wait for some time. Now you can see it is already completed and now our final editor agent is working on that and it will just check all those things are correct or not and it will draft an email to my email ID. So just bear with me, our final editing is currently going on. After that I will go through step by step and how you can build this type of similar workflow or to automate your newsletter. You can see our workflow is successfully executed and our draft is ready. So now it's time to go to my Gmail and there we will find out about our newsletter. So now I will click on draft. So you can see we have created our draft, that is the 1041. Now this is the draft we just created by our system and you can see the title is AI advancement and the challenges 2026 hospitality insurance and security risks. So you can see this is my newsletter and you can see it also provides some source and with the key features that is include and AI transforming insurance operations, efficiency, risk management and the customer experience. And you can see this is quite good and this is really good in terms of content and within a minute we can create this type of newsletter with the help of AI automation. And you can see the email is well structured and here it is mentioned with the bullet point H2 and the recommended migration. Also it provided the source from where it pulls some this type of information and you can see this is pretty good. So it's time. So now I will go through the workflow how you can build this type of AI workflow within n8n within 5 minutes. So before that I just want to highlight some key point, that is I will use Tavily for some content research, and I will grab 3 articles from Tavily, and next we will send it to our planning agent, and after that we will just split out by each of one, and we will send to again for to Tavily for deep research. Our section writer agent will write the content for us, and it will finally send to our editor agent. First you need to click on open notepad, and from here you just need to type n8n, and it will appear n8n from, and from here you just need to click on new n8n from event, and this will appear a pop-up where you need to just rename your form, say newsletter form, and after that you need to click on add form, and you can just name it title, and it is a required field. After that you just need to click on back, and your form is ready. You can see this is our form, and now click on add and search Tavily for our niche research. So just click on Tavily and just click on search node, and it will appear our Tavily search. And for this you need to create an API to connect with the Tavily. So just go to tavily.com and click on login, and after that you will be redirected to your API dashboard, and after that click on just overview, and from there you can just click on add, and you need to put your name, API name, and just click on create, and after that you will get your API key, and next you need to just click on create a credential and provide your API key to connect the Tavily from n8n. So next agent we need to click on AI agent, and just click on AI agent. Now our AI agent is ready, and you need to add a chat model. For now we will use a OpenAI chat model. You need a API credential to connect with OpenAI. So for the timing I will just delete this node, and I will click on execute workflow, and now I am getting error. So click on execute workflow, so that you can see we have our newsletter form. So I will just type test so that I can get the form data. So you can see I will just now activate this node, and you can see if I click on this, you just need to drag this title in the query section and just click on add, and we will select topic and max result, and also we will just click on time range. So we will time range will be week, so we will check the most recent article that is related to our title. So max result I will keep at 3, and the general and the topic will be news. So we will search, so we will send the query to the Tavily that it will search in news, and it will return max 3 result that are currently in trending and posted in Tabily within a week. So next go to our AI agent and just click on this, and we need to specify our output format. So just click on required output format, required specific output format, and you need to just change the source of the prompt to define below. So we will give our user prompt. So for the timing I will go to planning agent and just click this and just copy this prompt message that we will receive from our Tavily, and now I will put here, and next just click on the system message. Again I will go to my planning agent, and you can see this is a simple instruction that I have put on my AI agent, that is the you are an expert newsletter planner. You will receive 3 articles from the past week. Your job is to come up with a creative and fun title as well as the main topic for the newsletter. So this is a simple thing. You can ask ChatGPT to write this type of prompt, and you just need to copy this thing and paste in your planning agent. So I will just rename this thing planning agent. So next we need a split out node, so that will split the node one by one. Click on this and you need to just select structure output parser and just paste these things. And now I will give you the overview why you required this field. So our type will be object, and required field is title and topic, and title will be string, description a short description, and topic will be an array, that is the 3 item we will receive from our previous node, and it will merge those things and it will send to our tably. Next just click on this and just copy these things and just add this node to tably again. And now you just need to pass the query within the time range. So you just need to click on this, and I don't require these things, max result, and you can just select the month. So it will check again within the month for a particular topic. Next you just need to click on again AI agent, just click on that, and you need to click on define below again, and just you can add this chat model to our previous OpenAI chat model. And now I will go to my section writer agent, and we will see from our previous node we will receive our query, that is the topic, and our research. I will just copy these things and later I will show you what these things. I just copy this thing and paste in the prompt section, and again I will go to my previously created AI agent, and you can see this is my prompt. There is the overview and the instruction. You can just see the prompt from my screen, and I will just copy this thing and go to AI agent, just click on this system message. So this is done, this part is done. Now you need to click on a aggregate function. So our field name will be output. So next we will again use a AI agent. This is our third AI agent that will just take all the input from our previous agent, and it will say like it will edit all those things and make a robust newsletter for us. So just go to my AI agent and you can see this is my prompt, and I will just copy paste this thing, and you just need to, this is my prompt, and just click on output parser and select structure output parser. And now it will return an object with the subject and the content. So this will be our strictly format. AI will not provide any other details, so it will just return subject and content. So these things the AI will return as an output. So you can see my prompt over here. So you can see you are an expert newsletter editor managing merge exactly 3 provide section into a cohesive email ready HTML body with a holistic introduction and conclusion. You can generate this type of thing via ChatGPT. You just need to ask to ChatGPT to create this type of prompt. Now our AI agent is ready, and it takes less than 5 minutes to build our AI agent. So now you just need to click on Gmail, and your operation will be creating a draft. So just click on create a draft, and now you just need to get the subject from our previous node, and as of now I will just copy this thing. You can also get this thing from here because our AI will return as subject and the content. So you just click on this json.output.subject and our message will be json.output. I believe it is a content. Yes. So just click on that and add option. You just need to click on to email and provide your email ID. Now I will click on execute workflow so that we can see our workflow is running or not. And you can see we have an issue. Oh, you just need to add a chat model here. So without this is a brain for our AI agent, so without brain it cannot perform, so that's why we received an error. Now I will again click on execute workflow, asking me the title, and just I will just paste that AI on autopilot. I will just write AI on autopilot, the next big shift in productivity, and now I will click on submit. And you can see our planning agent is working, and it send already the input to our research agent, and our content is now generating, and after that it will send for our final agent to creating the draft, and it will send the content in via email. So just wait for a second, and after that I will just go through each node how you can create this thing, and I will show you the each node output. And you can see we have received again an error, just problem is invalid expression. Let's debug these things. So this is actually we received some issue, that is the title. Okay, so we received some error, that is the title. Oh, there is no title I believe, so we just need to go to our previous agent. Here is our title, so you just need to drag this title, you just need to drag this thing, and this was our copy paste mistake. So you just need to click on, you just need to drag the title from our planning agent. So this is if I click on execute step, and now our workflow will run successfully. This is done, and you can see the email draft has been also created. Now I will go to my Gmail, and I will just refresh these things. This is the final one we have received from our last execution, and if I go to the last one, you can see this is our subject, and you can see this is the subject, and you can see as of November 3 to 2025, artificial intelligence continues to revolutionize corporate leadership, labor productivity. You can just read the article or the newsletter, and you can see we have just our AI agent is marked the source, and also it provides some source from where our article is generated. So you can see this is a quite good workflow. You can create this type of workflow to run a business. You don't need to click on execute workflow each time. You can just schedule this workflow, and that will run automatically with the interval of say a daily basis or twice in a daily, and it will create the newsletter on behalf of you, and you just need to send this newsletter to your customer. So uh, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Hit subscribe, like my video, and comment below. If you want this workflow, just type AI newsletter, and I will provide you this template totally free. Just type AI newsletter on the comment section. Thank you guys, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.